welcome to the News on Map series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's episode we will be discussing topics which are important from GS paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So first of all, let's begin with the practice question which was asked last time and most of the people have answered the correct answer. So the question says that Philippines is not bordered by which of the following? And the options were South China Sea, Philippines Sea, Java Sea and Celebes Sea. So let us first see. So the country Philippines lies in the Southeast Asia and Philippines is bordered or surrounded by sea from all its side, and this is the location of Philippines. So, and the capital of Philippines is Manila. So Philippines on its western side is surrounded by the South China Sea, while Philippines on its eastern side is surrounded by the Philippines Sea, and on the southern side of Philippines lies the Celebes Sea. While if we talk about the Java Sea, then Java Sea is a part of the country Indonesia, and Java Sea and Indonesia both lies much south to the Philippines. So this is the location of Java Sea and it is with Indonesia. So this is the location of Indonesia and this is the location of Java Sea, while Philippines lies much north to Java Sea. So Java Sea would be the correct answer of this question. So let's see that Philippines is not surrounded by South China Sea, it is surrounded with Philippines Sea, it is not surrounded with Java Sea, and Celebes Sea also it is surrounded with. So the correct answer is option C, that is Java Sea. Now moving on to today's episode. The first question is, and the reference is, that the largest Hajj pilgrimage in history begins. So Hajj, whenever we talk about Hajj pilgrimage, is what is the country or which is the country where it takes place? So that is Saudi Arabia. So this brings Saudi Arabia to the news, and the question says that consider the following statements. First, Makkah and Medina lies in the eastern side of Saudi Arabia. So first of all, we need to know the locations of different cities or states in the Saudi Arabia. So let's see the map. This is how Saudi Arabia looks like, and Saudi Arabia is a country which lies in the Middle East. So if we will talk about the directions, then this is west, this is east, north and south. So this is the location of Saudi Arabia, and Makkah and Medina lies at the western side of Saudi Arabia, not in the eastern. So Makkah and Medina lies in the western side of Saudi Arabia. So this becomes wrong. Second statement says that Saudi Arabia is surrounded by Red Sea on the eastern side and by Persian Gulf on the western side. So let's see this. The map exactly tells us that the country Saudi Arabia is surrounded by Red Sea and Persian Gulf, and Red Sea lies the western side of Saudi Arabia is surrounded by the Red Sea, while the eastern side of Saudi Arabia is surrounded by the Persian Gulf. So let's see that Red Sea was western side, so this becomes wrong, and Persian Gulf was eastern side. So this statement also becomes wrong. And what the question is asking, that which of the statement given above are correct? So that is 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. So that both the statements are wrong. So the correct answer would be option D, that is neither 1 nor 2. Now moving on to the next question. The reference is enhancing of ties with Egypt to strategic partnership. So recently the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, was on a 5-day trip to United States of America and Egypt, and with Egypt the trip of the PM was very fruitful and successful as the enhancement of strategic partnership has taken place. So with this, Egypt comes to the news, and the question says the Strait of Tiran connects Gulf of Aqaba with Red Sea, Gulf of Aqaba with Gulf of Suez, Red Sea with Gulf of Suez, and last is Red Sea with Mediterranean Sea. So this is a difficult one, because when I was making this question, or I would say when I saw this question, I found it to be very interesting. So the Strait of Tiran. So first of all, let's see the map. Okay, Egypt is a country which lies in the African continent, and this is how the exact location of Egypt lies. This is the Sinai Peninsula of Egypt. So there is Gulf of Suez, which connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean Sea, and then there is Gulf of Aqaba, and the place or the strait which connects the Gulf of Aqaba with the Red Sea is the Strait of Tiran. So the location where the Red Sea meets the Gulf of Aqaba is the Strait of Tiran. So I'll just show you. Okay, look at this map. So this is Sinai Peninsula of Egypt, and this is the Gulf of Aqaba, and this is Red Sea. So the place where Gulf of Aqaba is meeting the Red Sea is called the Strait of Tiran. So the correct answer would be that the Strait of Tiran connects Gulf of Aqaba with Red Sea. So let's see. The Strait of Tiran connects, that is, Gulf of Aqaba with Red Sea. So the correct option would be option A. Now moving on to the next question, and the reference says that Assam delimitation draft, what changes it proposes, why it has led to protests. So this brings Assam to the news. Now let's look at the question, that arrange the following national parks or wildlife sanctuaries in west to east direction. Important word here is west to east direction. This is west, this is east. So we have to arrange from west to east direction. So and the national parks and the wildlife sanctuaries given are Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Orang National Park, Kaziranga National Park, or Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. If you know, or if you want to answer this question, you should be well aware about the map of Assam. So let's look at this. This is how the map of Assam looks like, and Assam is one of the northeastern states and one of the biggest northeastern states along with the Arunachal Pradesh, and this is how the map of Assam looks like. And Assam is full of wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, and most of the wildlife sanctuary and national parks lies in the northern Assam. So let's see that if we will move from west to east, that is this direction, west to east direction. So first we will see Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, then Orang National Park, Kaziranga National Park, and then in the eastern side we will see the Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. So from west to east if we will move, then first is Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Orang National Park, Kaziranga National Park, and Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. So let's see. So first was Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, second was Orang National Park, third was Kaziranga National Park, and fourth was Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. So the correct answer would be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which one would be the correct code? That will be option B. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's move on to the next question, and the reference is that why United Kingdom Labour leader Starmer is reaching out to India. So this brings United Kingdom to the news. Now let's see the question. So the question says that the Bristol Channel separates Scotland and England, Ireland and Wales, Wales and South East England, or Wales and South West England. So let us first see the map. This is the map of United Kingdom. First of all, you should know that there is a difference between United Kingdom and England. So United Kingdom consists of Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland and England. So that all of them together make up the United Kingdom. So this is the map of United Kingdom, and if we will see it, then this is how it looks like. That this is the Bristol Channel which is separating the Wales from the England. And which England? This is the South West England. So this is South and this is west. So Bristol Channel is separating the Wales with the southwest England. So I'll just show you again. If we will look at the whole map of the United Kingdom, then this is the location of the Bristol Channel. This is Wales and this is southwest England, and this is the Bristol Channel. So the correct answer would be Scotland and England, no. Ireland and Wales, no. Wales and southeast England, no. Wales and southwest England is the correct answer. So the correct answer is option D. Now moving on to the next question. The reference is flash floods which have also led to landslides in parts of Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. So this brings Himachal Pradesh to news. Now let's see the question. That Himachal Pradesh shares its border with how many Indian states? The important word here is states. And the options are 4, 5, 6 or 7. So let us look at the map. Okay, Himachal Pradesh is one of the northernmost states of India. And then this is the location of Himachal Pradesh on India's map. So if we will look at the surrounding states of Himachal Pradesh which shares its border with Himachal Pradesh is, then first is Uttarakhand, second is Uttar Pradesh, the northernmost district of Uttar Pradesh, that is Saharanpur, it shares its border with Himachal Pradesh, third one being Haryana, and fourth is Punjab. It also shares its border with Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, but Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir are union territories now. So states would be how many? That is, first is Uttarakhand, second is Uttar Pradesh, third is Haryana and fourth is Punjab. So that becomes 4 states. So the correct answer would be option A, that is 4 states. Now let's see the next question, and the reference is that Wagner Group's troops have taken control of Rostov-on-Don. So we all know what happened in Russia, that there was rebellion by the Wagner Group and they took control of the Rostov-on-Don. So the question says that consider the following statements regarding Rostov-on-Don. So first is that it is situated on the Don river. So Rostov-on-Don is one of the city of Russia. It lies in southern Russia. So this is how the map of Rostov-on-Don looks like, and Rostov-on-Don is situated on the river which is Don river, and that is how the flow of Don river takes place. So it goes through whole of Rostov-on-Don. So the first statements become correct. Second statement says that it shares its border with Black Sea. Now let's see this. Okay, this is the location of Rostov-on-Don on the Russia's map. It is lies on the southern Russia side. It lies on the banks of Azov Sea, while Black Sea lies much south to it. So Rostov-on-Don does not share its border with the Black Sea, while it lies on the outskirts of the Azov Sea. So it shares its border with the Black Sea becomes wrong. Third statement says that it lies to the south of Moscow. So let's see this. Okay, this is how the map looks like, and Moscow is the capital of Russia, and Moscow lies much north to the Rostov-on-Don. So if the statement says that Rostov-on-Don lies south to Moscow, then it becomes correct. So let's see this. It lies to the south of Moscow, then this is also correct. So let's see this. And what the question is asking, that how many statements given above are incorrect. So it is situated on the Don river. This is correct. It shares its border with Black Sea is incorrect, and it lies to the south of Moscow is also correct. And it is asking incorrect statement. So the correct answer would be only one statement, that is option A is correct. Now moving on to the next question. Reference is on the 1947 partition of Bengal after the recent Foundation Day row in the state. this brings Bengal, West Bengal to the news. Now let's see the question. It says, how many countries does the Siliguri corridor borders? So Siliguri corridor, if we must have heard in India, it holds a very strategic importance, and the location is also very strategic to India. So how many countries does it border? Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh. So let's see the map. Okay, this is how the map of Siliguri corridor looks like. So Siliguri corridor connects the northeastern states with the rest of India, and including Sikkim in the northeastern states, and it is a very narrow passage. It is a very narrow passage, and where it is most narrow, the difference or the width is only 17 kilometers, and it is a corridor which is full of road and rail transport, because it is the only link of road and rail transport between rest of India and the northeastern states. So this is the location of Siliguri corridor, and if we will see how many countries does it border or surrounds with, then first is Nepal, second is Bhutan, and third is Bangladesh. So Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. So how many countries does Siliguri corridor borders? Then it is Nepal, yes, Bhutan, yes, Bangladesh, yes. So we have to tell about the correct answer, and the codes are 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now moving on to the next question, and the reference is that age of consent increased from 13 to 16 years in Japan. This brings Japan to the news, and the question says that the Sea of Okhotsk lies west to Kamchatka Peninsula of Russia, north of Japan, or west of Sakhalin Islands. So let's see. Okay, this is how the map of Sea of Okhotsk looks like. So this is the location of Sea of Okhotsk. It lies to the south of Russia. So first of all, let's get clear with the locations and the directions. This is west, this is east, this is north, and this is south, because being very clear with the directions is what is going to get this question right. So this is Sea of Okhotsk. So the location of Kamchatka Islands is this, that it lies from the northeast side of Russia, and it goes down in the south direction. So the Sea of Okhotsk lies to the west of Kamchatka Peninsula. Now let's talk about Japan. This is the location of Japan, and where is Sea of Okhotsk from Japan? It lies in the north of Japan, while the location of Sakhalin Islands is this. So the Sea of Okhotsk is lying to the north and east of Sakhalin Islands. So Kamchatka Island to which direction? West. Sakhalin Islands to which direction? That is east. And Japan to which direction? That is north. Now let's see. West of Kamchatka Peninsula of Russia. So is it right? West of Kamchatka Peninsula of Russia. So this becomes correct. This is correct. North of Japan, correct. West of Sakhalin Island. Let's see this. West of Sakhalin Island, no, it is east of Sakhalin Islands, because west of Sakhalin Islands would be this direction. So this becomes wrong. So this is wrong. Instead of west, it would be east. So what the question is asking is, which of the statements given above are correct? So how many are correct? First is correct, second is correct, then two statements are correct. So the correct answer would be option B, that is only two statements. Now moving on to the next question. Now this is practice question, and the reference is that Ulta Rath procession in Tripura. So this brings Tripura to the news, and the question says that which state's capital lies closest to the Tripura's capital Agartala if we look latitude wise. So in the direction of latitude, the location of Tripura's capital, that is Agartala, which other state's capital lies closest to it? And the options are Aizawl, Kolkata, Gandhinagar or Imphal. So all the students or all the people who are seeing this video, if you are aware about the location of Tripura and also the capital of Tripura, that is Agartala, then you can try to solve this answer, and otherwise also try to see the map and try to solve this question and give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.